Greetings, everyone. This is the BBH Chapter 5 vocabulary, which is found on pages 46 and 47 of our textbook. We'll be brief here. Aish is fire. It's a feminine noun. The noun for the noun for temple is heikal. Forgive my scribblings in my book, but I always write the plurals by words just for practice. Heikalot. The word for and is v. The word for gold is zahav. In Anish, you'll have to tell us, but I think in Arabic it's like a dahav with a D sort of sound. Those are related letters, the zayin and the... Anyway, okay. The word for sword, cherev. It has an accent on the first syllable, and it's a two-syllable word. So it's a segalit noun, which means we can predict how its plural will look. It'll be shva, a vowel, and then the ending. And because it starts with a chet, it won't take a real shva to begin with, so it takes a patak and a shva, a composite shva. All right, so charavot. The adjective for a living thing, or to say something is alive, is chai. So you say the chet, the patak vowel, ha, and you do say the yud. So you have a little roll at the end, chai. And the noun looks like a plural, chayim. So there's two yuds there, chai, and then you do the yud again, yim. It's really just a plural. Lives is life. Chayim. L'chaim, like a toast. All right, next. I don't know why I can't keep a cursor. Yeled, a boy, is yeled. And there's our seglet form. So the plural is yeladim. Yeladim. Yeled, yeladim. And you already know that melech is king and malka is queen. So if yeled is boy, what do you think the word for girl is? Yalda. I didn't write the vowels in, but the same pattern applies. Melech, malka, yeled, yalda. All right. C is yam, like the god, yam. And the plural is yamim. That won't really cause you any problems. We get an im added on to yam, just like you'd expect. You do double the mem, because the root of this word is really yod, mem, mem. We don't see it in the singular, we do see it in the plural. Silver is kesef. The adverb thus or here is ko. So our k, our o vowel, and then we don't do anything with the h. Ko. Place is makom. And the plural is makamot, although, as I found out, it's always singular in the Bible. The plural never occurs. Judgment, or decision, or ordinance, or law, or custom, or manner, or justice is mishpat. Mishpat. And you'll see our word for a judge is shofet. So what do you think the three-letter root is that judgment, mishpat, and a judge, shofet, have in common? Shin, pei, tet. That three-letter root can generate a couple different nouns. Altar, mizbeach. So that's a furtive patak. Mizbe, our long e vowel like in they. Ach, mizbeach, an altar. Plural, mizbechot, altars. Funny little word, utterance or announcement, n-um. So a vocal shava, n, and then consonant, vowel, consonant. Na'um. The way this gets used, why is this weird utterance? We don't say utterance every day. Why is it so common? 376 times in the Bible? The answer, because When the prophets want to say, the word of the Lord came to me, or here is an utterance of the Lord, and then they quote the Lord, they just say, Na'um Adonai. Na'um Adonai means a word of the Lord or an utterance of the Lord. All right. Olam. Olam. Forever, everlasting. L'olam va'ed. Forever and ever. Le plus olam. Unto eternity. All right. We have to now get the next page of the vocabulary. Here it is. Moving along. Page 47. Anan is clouds. Plural ananim. Spirit, that's a good word. Or wind or breath, like the breath of a person or the wind of nature or the Spirit of the Lord. Same word. Ruach. Plural ruchot. The noun is mostly feminine. A chief or official is sar. Sar. A gate. Sha'ar. Sha'ar. Plural sha'arim. And heaven or the sky is shamayim. That's it.